The Cannes Film Festival has formally tightened its red carpet dress code, drawing a clear line: no nudity, no over the top dresses. In an updated charter released just few days before the 2025 edition of Cannes kicks off, organizers stated, for decency reasons, nudity is prohibited on the red carpet as well as in any other area of the festival. Voluminous outfits that hinder the proper flow of traffic are not permitted either. Festival staff have been instructed to deny access to anyone who violates the new rules. A festival spokesperson confirmed the same to The Hollywood Reporter that the charter revision simply codifies standards that have been long in effect, emphasizing the aim to not to dictate fashion but to prevent full nudity in line with French law. Cannes has long been a global stage for daring fashion statements, with stars like Bella Hadid and Elle Fanning turning heads in barely their looks. In 2022, a topless protester made headlines after storming the red carpet. More recently, Bianca Censori's nearly nude Grammys look reignited the debate over red carpet exposure. As for the ban on voluminous gowns, the reference point may be, well, Tem's dramatic white dress at the 2023 Oscars, which famously blocked the view of audience members behind her. The ban also comes a year after security personnel had an on camera altercation with actress Marcel Tavares as a guard urged her to move down the carpet quickly at the Count of Monte Cristo premiere. She was wearing a gown with a train that was several feet long and printed with the face of Jesus Christ that took over much of the red carpet. Bella Hadid had championed nude looks on the Cannes red carpet, including a scoop dress with a gold and lung-shaped necklace in place of a top in 2021 and a body-hugging sheer dress from Saint Laurent last year. Cannes has a history of strict dress enforcement, notably the 2015 controversy over mandatory high heels. While the rule was eventually relaxed, the festival continues to uphold a former aesthetic, banning selfies and large bags and requiring black tie for evening premieres. The festival also banned selfies on the red carpet in 2017, which has caused considerable interference by security guards who do not allow non-celebrities to linger on the red carpet. Whether these updated restrictions will be strictly enforced or not, or selectively ignored for A-list talent and brand ambassadors, remains to be seen. Well, what do you think about the new rule of Cannes? Let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to the Free Press Journal for more such updates.